The reason why jihad against oneself is rewardable is because it is an action or it is a struggle which is invisible to everyone outside of you. Now, if you achieve some great fame in life, if you acquire a position, a great position, and do something of importance, then you come into the notice of every person. All the people would take note of your actions and your achievements. They will praise you and they will admire you, and you'll become a person who would command great respect in the eyes of people. Now, on the contrary, this spiritual jihad, this struggle against one's own feelings and one's own negative thoughts, is a kind of struggle which is visible to no person. Nobody can see that you are actually converting your negativity into positivity. You have complaints against people, but you forget and forgive them. That you are somebody against whom people have done something wrong, but still for the sake of God, you forgive them. For the sake of God, you don't allow your personality to become influenced by the negativity that is all around you. So when you do all such things, when you struggle within, when you make yourself positive within, all these things are not visible to anybody outside of you because it is occurring at the level of your mind. It is a psychological struggle that you undertake with yourself. It is only visible to God Almighty. And you do it for the sake of God. You do it so that you can become a person who is acceptable to God, so that in the hereafter, He can place you in His neighborhood. So when you do something which is not visible to people, and you're not doing it to earn fame, to earn respect in the eyes of people, to command great position in the eyes of people, then this means that you're doing it solely for the sake of God. You're doing it because you want God Almighty to be pleased with you. And any such action is extremely pleasurable for God. God Almighty loves such actions which are done purely for His sake. And this is why the Quran also says that charity or zakat, the alms that we give to the poor, should be given in secret. We should not make a show of it so that people go about looking at the amount of wealth that we are offering to others, and then they think that we are very wealthy, or we are people who have large-hearted, we have a large heart, and so on. So charity also, God prefers that we give in secret. So similarly, jihad, the spiritual jihad, the inner struggle that you do with your own self, is something which is visible to nobody outside of you. It is only visible to God Almighty. And when you do something purely for God's sake, it has no incentive, no motivation for earning people's respect, for earning people's praises, then such an action has great position in the eyes of God. And this is why jihad is so highly rewardable.